Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin was rejected at 42.5. Today's video, we're going to take a look at what this means for Bitcoin, for altcoins, and most of all, for you. Plus, we're going to have some predictions in the near term and also the medium term for Bitcoin price. So you'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're talking about Bitcoin. It was rejected by this downtrend right here. What this means for Bitcoin in the short term and also in the long term. Plus, for all those other altcoins out there, what this means for all of those altcoins and some of the best picks coming up towards the end of this video. Now, before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, where every week we give away one of these sweet shirts. Let's try and get 2,000 likes. See what we can do. You know, just push the button. Now, Bitcoin has broken down below the 100-day moving average again. This orange line, still above the 50-day moving average, this blue line, but it was very sternly rejected right here at the downtrend from the top of the market that was at 65 and then also at $60,000, batted up against it again. It also was encountering resistance from the top of this sideways megaphone that it's been in. And while it momentarily broke above the 100-day moving average, it has broken back down below. Now, where could this likely head in the short term? Oftentimes we see retracements to the 61.8 fib level, which is around $37,500, or I would say at the very worst, towards this area right here. I don't think we'll be seeing Bitcoin head all the way towards the bottom of this sideways megaphone around 28,000. I think more likely we have this largest area of resistance on the volume profile. This is right around 33,500. We have the 38.2 right at 34,000. We have this blue one-day MA50 right around 35,000. So somewhere between 33 and 35,000 would be the absolute lowest. Now, why do I say the absolute lowest, and how can I be so confident? Is it because I'm a master technical analyst? No, but I'm looking behind the scenes of Bitcoin and seeing what's going on. And, you know, while these charts show a price moving, these charts are more about fear and greed than anything else, because most of the large Bitcoin buying that happens over the counter. That means that doesn't affect the price on these charts. These prices on the charts are the chicken littles, the you and me, the scared little retail investors that buy and sell based on news. And what's the news now? Oh, crypto regulation. Oh, Tether. Oh, China. Oh, my gosh. And so all that stuff affecting price in the short term. However, let's take a look at what's happening to Bitcoin on the longer term, the more fundamentals, because fundamentally this is what's going to move the greatest technology since the creation of the internet, and before that, sliced bread. So, first things first, Bitcoin right now, significant outflow volume from exchanges. As a matter of fact, right now, again, at negative 100,000 Bitcoin per month from exchanges. That's right, 100,000 Bitcoin per month moving off of exchanges. The last time this happened was right around November, before Bitcoin price jumped up from $10,000 to $65,000. The time before that, when Bitcoin was right around $4,000 before it jumped up significantly. Now, it appears like Bitcoin dormancy has bottomed. And Willy Woo here drew a line every time there was a bottom in dormancy, and you can see the previous bottoms of dormancy shortly after the price rocketed each time. And the dormancy is this purple line when it forms a bottom there. So each time price rockets up afterwards, we potentially will see a rocketing coming soon. Not only that, but William Clemente saying, for stock to flow fans out there, historically speaking, following each touch of this lower stock to flow deflection trend line, Bitcoin has gone on an absolute tear. So we can see it just touched off of the bottom of that trend line, and each time afterwards, previously, Bitcoin's gone on a near parabolic tear. So we have all of that expecting. Now, none of your business, I get it, right? None of your business says A plus B equals moon, Lambos, rockets, and lots of bling bling and all this fun stuff. So what are these two things that none of your business is pointing at? First thing, Bitcoin performance after 10 consecutive green closes. The minimum is 36%. So that would put us at, oh, say like, I don't know, 40, 50 some $1,000. The maximum 200%, which would put us at, oh, say a lot more than we are. The average 100 100%, which would put us at roughly $80,000 Bitcoin, somewhere between $80,000 and $100,000 Bitcoin. Not only that, but he's also pointing out this golden ratio. So this is from Trading Shot, his 49-51% ratio, saying that with the halving, the low to the peak, roughly about 2% difference. It's 51% before, 49% after, which would put us right around September 21st of 2021 being the peak. So that coming up significantly, that's less than 2 months away. If we take a look at some Bitcoin price models, this is Willy Woo's price model. Right now, $163,000 top. And each day, the top is going up by roughly $2,000. Apparently, according to a lot of these models from Camille Monix, his top prediction is $270,000 within, like 2 months, September 22nd. So all of that looking really great for Bitcoin. I wouldn't, sell a whole bunch, because while the price could come down, it's more likely to go up. There's a lot stronger pressure towards the upside than towards the downside. Now, what does this mean for altcoins? Well, right now it's Bitcoin season. There's no denying it. The altcoin season index says it's Bitcoin season. So if that says it, then it must be. But as we can see here, it basically just goes back and forth between Bitcoin season and altcoin season. And being a contrarian trader, which I am, during Bitcoin season, you want to be selling Bitcoin and buying altcoins. During altcoin season, you want to be selling altcoins and buying Bitcoin. That just makes sense. So right now it's Bitcoin season, best time to buy altcoins at a discount. If we take a look at the price drop since all-time highs over on CoinGecko, you can see pretty much all altcoins are in the red. Some of them 86%, 77%, 84%. You can see a lot of these are down low. 90% down for Dash. Oh my goodness. 96% down for Zcash. These are on an absolute bottoming out. So I was thinking, how could you guys benefit from this? Well, one thing you could do for those of you who do have token metrics is you could combine this stuff, the price down from all-time high, combine that with the TM grade, which uses quantitative modeling to pick out the best altcoins based on a numerical score. And you could combine both of them and see, hey, which ones that are way down from all-time highs have a very high quant score, because then that would be a good buy. But some of you may not have token metrics. If you don't, there's a discounted link down in the description and the pinned comment. But also, you could check out some of my latest videos. You just type in Crypto Love 100X, and you could see some videos I made about coins I picked out using the same strategy I used to pick out Celsius when it was 6 cents before it went up to $9. Used to pick out Matic when it was a cent before it went up to $2.50. So these are some of the latest coins, and also yesterday's video is somewhere top altcoins for this month based on quantitative modeling from Token Metrics. So you can check out those videos, Crypto Love 100X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Guys, I am super stoked for Bitcoin. Like, I haven't felt this strongly for Bitcoin since about October, but I feel even more stronger than I did back then, and that's when Bitcoin was under $10,000. So, thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'll catch you later. Love you. Peace.